friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I thought I'd make another video of vocal warmups and exercises using this vocal trainer by Better Voice. If you use the link below, you'll get 10% off and I'll get a little commission as well. That said, I did purchase this. I've not been asked to make this video. I just really like this product. I'll also talk about different ways you can modify these exercises if you don't have one of these. Take a moment to make sure that your body and neck and head are aligned, relaxed, balanced, and released. Take an easy breath in and sigh out. I'm going to start with this right around the middle, which is a moderate resistance setting. Now, if you don't have a vocal trainer, you can sing through a loosely closed fist, or a straw. This should feel a little bit like humming or singing on a gentle ooh. We'll do this pattern first. Great. Feel free to adjust the resistance as you go. I'm going to make mine a little bit firmer for this next exercise, and we're going to glide on the following pattern. Nicely done. I find working on vocal glides with this is very helpful. This next exercise combines that with stepping up and down. First we'll sing on, then we'll glide on. Here's the timing. Give it a try. These exercises really work to help strengthen and coordinate the voice. We're going to do one more with just the vocal trainer, and then I'll move on to some that help move this technique into singing practice. We'll sing on a Penta scale up and down 5 notes like this. best ways to integrate this smoothness and consistency of the work that we're doing with the vocal trainer into singing is to alternate between singing into it and then singing without it. The goal here is to memorize the sensation of singing with it and then keep that sensation when we're singing without it. Here's a pattern we can try. Then we can choose a vowel. I'm going to go with an E to keep things very efficient, like E. We'll do this back to back and then switch keys. Here we go. Way to hang in there. Real quick, did you know that I've published a vocal warm-up app for singers? It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available for all platforms. It's super easy to use with hundreds of individual warm-ups and over 60 playlists. It's commercial free. The links are down below. I hope you'll check it out. I'm moving this back to a more moderate resistance for the next exercise. Feel free to experiment with that to figure out what feels best in your voice. Let's try a few different patterns here together. Try this one. Then I'll move into the sound go. Go. So we'll be doubling up again like we were with the last exercise. Here we go. Now to a triad arpeggio. This time I will sing every other key with and then without the trainer. When I'm singing without it, I'll sing on va va. Here's the pattern. Va 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 va, etc. Here we go. Va 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 va. octave arpeggio, I'm going to start in the vocal trainer and then I'm going to do the higher ones without it. Feel free to come in and out of it as feels good to you today. When I move to singing without this, I'll move to Z-aw. Here's the pattern. Well done. Let's sigh down together. Thank you so much for joining me for this warm-up. I appreciate it when you like and comment and subscribe. I do hope you'll also check out the links below to my app and to the vocal trainer. There is a 10% discount there for you. I'll see you next time.